I know, that's why I wanted to do it outside. Okay, here.
Color your fish.
Here, you do it up there. Here, put it on your fish right here. Yeah. Where'd my paintbrush go?
Thomas, color the fish.
Ooh. You want a different color now?
How?
Yes.
What color do you need? You want to do a purple one? Here. There, here's some purple.
He's got to stick his finger in it first. Color your fish.
He's
Oh,
trying.
you missed.
Okay, I'm gonna make a pretty fish.
Nope, you missed again.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.